The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, army aviation and artillery fire of the Zapad group of forces inflicted a fire damage on enemy manpower and military equipment near Granikovka, Sinkovka in Kharkov region, and Novoselovskoye and Stelmakhovka in Lugansk People's Republic. More than 50 Ukrainian troops and 2 motor vehicles were neutralized. In the Krasny Liman direction, aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the center group of forces engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Nevskoye, Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic, and Yampolovka, Torskoye and Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy has suffered losses of up to 130 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 1 Grad MLRS vehicle and 1 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzer in this direction in the past 24 hours. In total, 404 airplanes, 227 helicopters, 3,622 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,472 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,076 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,462 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,199 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 460 servicemen in a single day, including 5 tanks, 3 armored fighting vehicles as well as 4 artillery units and 3 special equipment. In total, Kremlin lost 173,360 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,615 tanks, 6,977 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 400 days. There is still no peace talk agreement between 2 sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of destroying warehouse and military equipment of the occupiers in Bakhmut. Thanks to the active interaction of scouts of the 30th Separate Mechanized Brigade and artillerymen of the 26th and 45th Brigades, the warehouse and military equipment of the occupiers were destroyed with 1 shot, said General Staff of Armed Forces of Ukraine in official statement today. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanks to all fighters. 400 days of our defense against full-scale aggression. This is a colossal path that we have walked. Altogether, everyone who fought and fights for Ukraine, Zelensky said.
Бажаю здоров'я, шановні українці. 400 днів. 400 днів нашої оборони від повномасштабної агресії. Це колосальний шлях, який ми пройшли всі разом. Кожен і кожна, хто боровся і бореться за Україну, хто дбав і дбає про державу і українців, хто допомагав і допомагає нашій логістиці, хто зміцнював і зміцнює українську стійкість. Україна пройшла найстрашніші дні того лютого. Витримали і цю зиму. Колосальні зусилля за цими словами. Ми пройшли минулорічну весну, що змінила хід цієї війни на користь нашої оборони. Минулого літа і восени ми...
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.